Greetings, Allan, Karl, WorldRider, checking in here from, I'm in Spain, riding the spectacular roads of Spain. Had a great time in Madrid, met new friends, had some great food, and then as I was working with the local shop to get the bike ready to roll, oil change, lube the chain, make sure the tension's good, all good, except when we looked at the shock. There was something wrong with the shock. It seemed to have no dampening, no rebound. It was all spring. So we took it to this specialized suspension place just outside Madrid.
Okay, so as they've been testing this shock, they can test the compression and decompression, the dampening on this software, which is connected to this machine.
These guys went all to town rebuilding that shock. Anyway, the shock, it took a whole day. These guys worked intently.
What we've learned is this shock is so old that the adjustments, the possibility to make adjustments is not affecting anything until you go real hard.
And I'm on the road a little later than I want. I'm going to miss some places, but I'm headed to Priorat. It's a wine region outside of Barcelona. The little town is cool called Gratallops. It's where a lot of the wineries are based, but the great black slate hills of Priorat is my destination, and I'm taking you with me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And we are riding Spain and going to go drink some wine. Greetings, Allan, Karl, WorldRider, checking in here from Spain. We're in, I guess you go south central Spain, maybe, in the region of Priorat, which is in Catalonia, and a couple hours from Barcelona, and it's famous for, of course, the wines of Priorat, which are Garnacha, Syrah, Carignan, Grenache Blanc, and among others. And it's a cool cobblestone town perched up on this hill. Just behind me, you can kind of see vineyards. It's kind of getting washed out there, but the steep hills of the vineyards, and they're a little bit of altitude here. And I got the drama of all the suspension, new fork seals, the rear shock had to be totally rebuilt. It's just, it took a lot longer than originally thought. We all thought they would be able to get it done in a day. And of course, as these things go, if it's not one thing, it's 10 others. So I got in here just at dark last night, just about 8 o'clock p.m. It was a 6.5 hour day on the bike. And I got to tell you, man, I was tired and I couldn't find the hotel that I had reserved. After asking like 3 people, I finally found it. But then settled in, got all that riding gear off of me, and sat down at this cool little wine bar, actually owned by the people that run the hotel and winery where I'm staying, called Slate Wine Bar. Actually, it's right up behind me here. But look at these cobblestone streets here, and it's just lovely. When we think of wine regions, Priorat doesn't always come up as one of the top ones unless you're really into Spanish wines. But I'm loving it. I'm tasting wine at 4 o'clock today at the winery I'm staying at. I'm walking through this town. There are people. Harvest is pretty much complete, and I'm staying 2 nights here. Then I'm heading to Barcelona. What do you think of that? I got Al Stewart in Amsterdam coming up. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, in the meantime, loving Priorat.